Kwikset presents How to Open Your Locker Padlock. This video applies to SKUs 90260-800 through 90260-806. The combination for your lock is located on the back of your lock. When entering your combination, you must enter the 3 numbers in the order shown on the combination tag. Turn right 2 or more full turns and stop when the first number lines up with the indicator, in this case is 12. Turn left 1 full turn past the previous number and stop at the second number, in this case is 27. Turn right and stop at the last number, in this case is 5. Your lock comes with a preset combination that cannot be reset. Be sure to store it in a safe place. Kwikset, security made convenient.